Holy shit! Whoa, whoa. It's like my stomach was still back there.
No, I'm scared of the police. I don't understand why that's called.
AMG coffee, fucking. Chill. What's going on, motherfuckers? This is cool. The boy is whipping. What's he whipping? Never driven a V8 really properly before. Other than that. Holy fuck, bro. This thing sends. This thing fucking sends. I haven't really even punched it yet. I'm scared. This thing just sounds like fucking thunder, bro. Just rum, rum, rum. Like Big Dog, you know? That's what it sounds like, man. Let's hear it. Woo! Shit! Bro, just like that, that's 100. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? That's crazy. That was just like a light V8 twin turbo factory. That's nuts. Holy fuck. Jesus. Oh. Whoa. Woo. Brother. Cuzzy. Shit. Got this Golf trying to G me up. These Euro boys, man. These Euro boys, huh? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Bro! I feel like I gotta take the shades off so y'all can see my face, bro, because I'm... Bro, V8 twin turbo is next level. The interior is just so comfortable, like, the fact that it just picks up. Like, you just put your foot down and it just fucking goes. And it's smooth. Acceleration just puts you back in your seat. Wow. And the sound, just the... You know? Fucking nuts, bro. Fucking... That's what V8 sounds like, bro. AMG Cuzzy, fuck yes, it's mad. It's actually pretty sick. Yes. Probably better driving at night when there's less plebeians on the road. Get the fuck out the way, man. V8 never late. But it's cool, man. Like, it's cool, you know, suss the vibes out. You know, I see what these Euro boys are talking about, man. I see. You know, Jap boy at heart. First time ever in a performance European car. Oh, it's M4 trying to race me, bro. M4 trying to race me, man. Well, I'll take him. M3. I don't know, man. There's too many cars in the way. I can't race him. Sorry. I get the hype, though, man. It's different. Oh, fuck. Is that a dash cam? I mean, it's alright. It's like third gear, you punch it and let off the throttle. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. It ain't no whap, but it's alright. You got the gandem.
I just feel molested. Yeah. I don't understand why that's cool.
Did you feel the seatbelt tug on you?
Yeah, that's why I said I feel molested.
Oh, because I pressed it, I was like...
Not molested, sorry, molested's not the word.
Pretty serious, but... Alright, well, we're just gonna go to fucking...
Manhandled.
We're just going to Coles. And and doing some drop-offs.
Yes. Like, we're literally going 20 kilometers per hour.
It's a V8 bar.
Oh my word. Holy smokes. The double demerits me.
Yeah, right. So this is the interior. Carbon fiber, this and that. Very nice. Water bottle fits here perfectly. Apple CarPlay, which is sick. Apparently it's aftermarket. What's strange on this car is like usually you change gears on a car here, but fucking you actually change the gears right here. So if you're used to rocking your indicator, you end up fucking putting the car into neutral, which is kind of weird. Like, you know when you drive a European car versus a Japanese car, European cars you indicate on the left, and then Japanese cars you indicate on the right. But in this car, if you tap the right, usually like the windscreen wipers go off, but in this car you put the car into neutral. It's fucking weird. Fortunately, what happens if you press up? Holy shit, is it put into fucking reverse? That's so weird. Anyway, car's AMG seats. These hug quite nicely. Like, got a really nice bolster, nice bucket to it. Have a good feel. And overall, with the suspension is quite stiff, so you really feel every bump on the road, despite the car not being that low. Interior is like super comfy, super cozy, super luxe, as Kirst would say. She's just placing a KFC order. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it yet because
He's gonna have it.
I mean, I have a bit. KFC is one of those things like you feel like it's such a good idea at the time, and then you feel like it's not a good idea afterwards. And I feel like buying the AMG might be the same. No, it's actually pretty sick, but I don't know if I can justify like 80 to 100 G's on this. Like, it's cool, it's a nice car, it fucking rips. But you can get the same kind of kick of power from like a Silvia or a Chaser, really. It's just more the luxury. But the sound, bro, the sound is fucking nuts. Check this shit out. You know what I mean? Like, that's fucking sick. I've never had a V8 before, nor have I ever like really driven one or much of it. More so because I was really concerned about like fuel economy, because, you know, 8 cylinders, this, that. But nowadays it's like, fuck man, it's a performance vehicle. You can't really look at fuel economy. It's just, fuel economy is going to be cooked regardless. I don't know, what are you ordering? Zinger box?
A double tender burger.
I really want like wicked wings.
You can get a zinger box with wicked wings.
And then you need to get original piece as well.
And you want a separate original?
Because I just want like wicked wings and like an original piece.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, would you like one of these? It's a 6 wicked wing.
The sunroof's pretty sick. It's got a sunroof for the back and a sunroof for the front. You got the standard tilt function, you know, for that factory era look. And you got the full tilt back as well. Kirst is glowing, bro. Look at her. She's just like the sun.
I'm just paperweight.
Looking for a luxury vehicle, like, I get the hype. If you're looking for a luxury vehicle, it pulls, got performance, like creature comforts, great. But like the steering still feels kind of heavy. Like, look at this thing, bro. It's just fucking. There's a lot going on. There's carbon fiber. Look, that little thing. Yeah. All right, you ready? Let's do it. Oh, that's the seat controls. Oh, dude, this thing goes down as well, bro. This front thing. Oi! That's so fucking weird, bro. And I think the numbers you can like set a memory. So, yeah, so depending on how many bitches you got, you can have like setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. So you can have up to 3 side hose.
Yeah,
Ah,
right.
2. Across. Oh, it's just down here.
Yeah.
Just down there. Just there. Come across.
What do you mean?
Hmm?
This one?
Yeah.
Did you buy it?
No.
What is it then?
You go for a spin?
Those guys.
You wanna sit in it? Come sit.
You buy this?
Yeah, take a seat.
Yeah.
Go sit in it.
Really? AMG Sports, huh?
Put your foot on the brake and press the start button here.
When did you buy this?
I didn't buy it.
Where was it?
I just borrowed it. Huh? Moe.
Huh?
Moe.
What's money?
Mohammed. His name is Moe. He owns this.
So he's renting them?
Yeah. Give it a rev. Wanna go for a drive?
Goodness.
Oh, bro, chill.
This guy's going hard, bro.
That's crazy.
Oh my goodness. Shit.
Just felt like it.
Oh.
Punch it.
Oh my. Is C-Class or E-Class?
C.
You can drop it on it?
Yeah, it's a sport.
Oh my goodness.
Go slow. Yeah.
I never do on a V8. Real? Shit.
Go left. I think you're in the middle of the road here. Just go. There you go. You're good.
Oh, the seat is crazy.
Yeah.
The sports seat.
It's legit.
Damn, the wheel. What?
So
No way.
the
So
gear,
what's
that's
the-
the gear stick. So you
Yeah.
push that down to go drive.
Okay.
See how it changes to D.
I
Yep.
see. And then there's no hand.
And then there's no handbrake, so you just go on the gas when you're ready. Indicators here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, brother, AMG.
This wheel is insane. It just looks class.
Carbon fiber and that.
Eesh. That's crazy.
AMG, brother.
Just the view from here is insane.
This is the first day that all three of us have driven an AMG. How crazy is that? The
It's
boys.
actually insane.
Yeah.
Gee, what's the
Actually?
What?
Yeah, it's like
Whoa.
excellent. No, I'm just saying.
Hey.
When I go for walks,
Brother, the whole point I got this before your surgery is so that you can experience and enjoy it. Don't fall on us now. You alright?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. But you feel a bit of a rush, yeah?
Yeah.
What are the pedals?
Yeah, because it's exciting, you know.
So you can downshift with the pedals too if you want, so...
Interesting. It's a cheeky old dog.
Holy shit! What the fuck? Wait, that was crazy.
Right? Yeah. Well,
First to second is nuts.
Wait.
Wait. I felt like being on a roller coaster.
Yeah, the G-forces? Dad, you alright?
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
That was nuts.
I didn't punch it like that. Damn.
That's when I said punch it, bro. Fucking punch it.
What? It actually feels like a roller coaster.
Mom, have a seat. Come. Mom, just sit in it, Mom. See what it's like.
It's like a boat. Oh, me. Oh, dear. No, I'm not going to drive. Oh, that's enough.
Give it a rev. Give it a, no, it's automatic. Give it a rev. No, like punch it.
Oh.
That's so fun.
No.
He drove it. He drove it. Fucking AMG, brother. This thing sounds mad. Oh, cuz. The vibes is just right, man.
It's like my stomach was still back there. Still back there.
I know, I can feel.
You scared, Mom?
No, I'm scared of the police. What are you
No, it's
doing?
okay. That's why I got this thing on. I mean, it's cool, but don't get me wrong. Like, this interior is fucking sick. The vibe is nice, you know? But it just doesn't have the same stage street presence that a Jap car does. You need to know what this car is in order to appreciate what it really is. And most people don't really know. Most people don't even know what this is, right? They just see a car, I call it Mercedes, brand, whatever. But to truly appreciate the performance aspect of this vehicle, you need to know it's a 4-litre 2 twin turbo V8. You need to know that. Whereas with, you know, a Jap car, for example, like you pull up in a 180 or a Mark II, especially a 180, right? It's got the pop-up lights, it's got the aero, it's unique, it's different. So yeah, you know, but man, just the fucking like the instant fucking send on this thing, man. Gosh, like it's fucking ridiculous, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's fucking ridiculous, especially from first gear. Like it's just fucking goes. It's sick. Like I'm not gonna lie, it's a nice car. I think yesterday I was really tired. I didn't get to fully appreciate it, but I did get to appreciate it actually. But like, it's nice. I'd buy it, but not just yet. Like it'd be like my midlife crisis type of buy. I'm not really at my midlife crisis yet. I'm gonna live till 126. RuneScape max level, so in my 60s I'll buy some shit like that, you know. Highly rate and recommend that you go and try something that you aspire to buy in the future and just live a day in the life of it and just see if it's something that you actually want right now, because this is something that I was actually genuinely considering getting right now, but I just can't justify whipping an AMG at this stage in my life. Considering like it's all fun and games. Like, you could, buying the car is the first part. Maintenance and upkeep, and if anything goes wrong in terms of repairs and damages, that's a whole different ball game, right? You have to have the funds ready to go to change a turbo, or if an engine failure or something, you know, catastrophic does tend to happen, you got to have the funds to back it. So yeah, I mean, like, look at this, man. Like, it's sick. It's sick. Like, the vibe is right. The vibe is right. Yeah, I'm about to go hit a training session. I was sick last week. I haven't really trained properly in a while, and I've been losing like energy, bro. I've been like, why am I so fucking tired? I haven't been training, so finally gonna get out of this session. Your boy's been doing shit like Pilates. You gotta give it a try, bro. Like, Pilates is no fucking joke. Yeah. I mean, coilovers and some VSKFs and that shit. Could you imagine how sick that would be?